So let me show you how to play CodeMonkey Jr. If you are on a computer, you're going to click Start Playing. And it will bring you to the 4 levels of challenges. And it just takes a second to load. And so it's going to start with Challenge 1. And you're going to use these arrows to program the monkey to get to the treasure. So I'm going to click the arrow or drag it up. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to click the play button to run my code. And there we go. We got him to the treasure. This button is going to bring me to the next one. So now I can go right or left. This time I want to go left, 1 square. Now, not only do we want to get him to the treasure, we want to get him to the banana. So I'm going to show you how you're going to get him to 2 things. Each of these little squares here, like this is a square, that's 1 block. So we're going to move him 1, 2 blocks to the right. And I'm going to click Run. And you're going to continue on like that as you continue to level up.